Well, we're here in the center of Old Town, where you'll find most of the restaurants and shops. And it is a wonderful view. Welcome to Lagos.
Welcome to Lagos.
Well, we finally made it. We arrived here about a week ago from Seville by bus.
By bus, 3.5 hours.
Not a bad trip at all, but we got here, kind of got settled in a little bit, found our grocery stores, which is always important to do.
How many grocery stores did we find?
We found about 4. It's always good to have options, to know where you can get things if you need something, just a small item, or where you really want to go to do your main shopping. And we got that lined out before the rain started.
Yeah, really nice grocery stores though, really nice.
Yeah, had some nice options here, not too awfully far from our Airbnb.
Yeah.
And so we got that all set up, and a few days of rainy, windy weather, but the sun is out, and so are we. We've had an opportunity to explore just a little bit. We explored the Old Town, and we're actually here on a boardwalk that separates the Marina side and the Old Town side. Our Airbnb is actually on the Old Town side, which works out great for us. But you can see the bridge here behind us. That's a walkway that will take you from Old Town into the Marina, and you can access some beach boardwalks and things from there. But we're gonna explore a little more and see what else this beautiful city has to offer. We are enjoying our walk out today. It's sunny and beautiful. Done a little shopping, kind of located a few places. This is a smaller area than we've had in Malaga or Valencia, so it's very easy to get around and find things here. So just gonna take this beautiful walk along the water, see what else we can find. We are here in a beautiful little plaza that is just on the edge of Old Town. It overlooks the ocean on one side, and then just over here is the Santa Maria Church, which is open for visitation. And then just back here is a small museum that is dedicated to interpreting Portugal's role in the slave trade. And then just behind me is a statue of Prince Henry the Navigator, who was a key figure in the early development of the Portugal Empire. Definitely a beautiful place to come on a sunny day like today. Sometimes there are performers here, sometimes a lot of people, but a great place to visit. We walked just a little further from the plaza and found a part of the old wall that used to wall off the city. There's an opening here where you can actually walk into Old Town, so we're going to take a walk through here and see what's on the other side. Well, we're here in the center of Old Town, where you'll find most of the restaurants and shops. There's a lot to explore here. Got this wonderful soft blanket made in Portugal. It's gonna be a nice addition. Well, we found the train station. It is actually on the marina side of town. It is a small station, small but mighty, because it will get you where you need to go. We are here on the marina side of Lagos, right here along the area where the boats are. If you were going to take a outdoor water excursion, this would be where you would leave from. There's also some great shops and restaurants here as well. Just another great offering for this city. Don't forget that they do have a fish market, and it's located right here in the Old Town. And then we've heard that if you go up these steps, there's the best view in the city. And just above the fish market is another area where you can buy other things like fresh fruits and vegetables. And it is a wonderful view. So we're gonna have lunch at the Croissanteria. We saw this the other day and thought we'd come back by and give it a shot. We stopped at the Croissanteria for a little lunch. Looks wonderful. Got a ham and cheese and smoked ham and cheese, and then a little pastel de nata. Should be good.
Brendan.
Paddle us out of here.
I'm going. We walked all the way from the apartment all the way down to the bottom lighthouse. This is wild. This is cool.
Absolutely worth the trip.